What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be messing with this photo and I'm going to show you some of the magic stuff that we can do with Canva using a little bit of their AI tools. So I have this picture in here and as you can see it's a little bit pixelated. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of those pixels. Your pictures are not ruined if you do have any that are pixelated and you're like, oh man, Canva can actually update that for you. And then I'm also going to change the color of my shirt. Let's go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on our actual picture, so whatever picture you have drag and dropped in here, and we're going to go up here and we're going to say edit. And then you have all of these different options. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to click right here where it says magic edit. So you're going to click right here on magic edit. And you're going to see there's a brush size here where we can highlight what we want to change. So right now I want to change my shirt to be black. So I'm going to just color in whatever I want to change, and right here I'm going to say change my shirt to black. We're going to say generate, and then we'll see what it puts out. Boom. Look at that. I didn't even have to do a new photo shoot. I didn't have to do anything. If you go over here, it gives you a few different options. I mean, they all look pretty much the same, but depending on what kind of photo you are editing, you may have different versions, and then you'll select the one that you like best. So we're going to say done. Now, if I wanted to play with this a little bit more, I could change other things. I could be like, put a flower in my hand, change my hat, change the background. If I did want to change the background, all I would do is click and say BG remover. And this one's a little bit weird because there's a pole in front with the background in the back. So that's what it would look like with a full background remover. If I wanted to edit that, I could just click on that link that I just clicked on. I could say erase more, or I could say restore. Now, if I want to restore, then I can just go back over here and I can restore whatever it was that I was sitting on, this thingy. But you can play with that if you want to. So I'm going to actually undo twice. So now we're back to this. All right. Now, if we want to update this, we want to update the pixels so it doesn't look so pixelated. I'm going to click on my photo, but I'm going to go over here to the app section, and then where it says search Canva apps, I'm going to say Upscaler. So image upscaler, this is the one that I like to use with the little butterfly at the time of this recording. So I'm going to click there, and then you can choose how much you want to upscale it. So if I did 4x, I'm going to show you what that looks like because I did this earlier. All right, now it's going to give you a preview over here for before the pixels versus after. So you can't see it as much here, but watch when I put it into place over here. I'm going to say replace. Watch right here. See? So it kind of smooths it out. Now to me, this almost looks like too smooth, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna say go back, and I'm gonna put this down to only 2x upscale. We're gonna say upscale, and it's going to redo it. And now if we say add to design, it's gonna add a new picture. So I'm just gonna delete the back one, and here's my new one with the 2x upscaler. And you can see it's not quite as smooth as that other one, but it's a little bit smoother. It's kind of like in between. So I like that. This is fine. Now something else also that you can do inside of Magic Studio is you can do your magic eraser. So if I want to erase like this weird hair over here, I'm just gonna click and I'm gonna say erase. And it's pretty much gone. You can zoom in and you can get like really up close there to like fully get rid of it. So I wanted to show you those two quick hacks. If you ever are doing photo editing or anything like that, let me know what you thought in the comments and any tutorials that you want to see next. Bye.